Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Let me just share the link that we are live. Whoosh. Hi, good morning, Victoria. I was almost like, where is everybody? Yo, good morning. Let's share the link. Guys, I usually don't like trading on Mondays. Too many tricky stuff going on Mondays. Let me share the screen. All right. Can you see me and can you see my screen? Oh, thank you, Victoria. We're trying to lose weight, though. You know, trying our best. Thank you. Let me just share the line. You say you reached to explain. Oh my god. Oh, my VIPs they're crazy, eh? So let me just say that we are live so that people can come on. Only one person here. Oh my god. Yeah. All right. Victoria, I'm number one. I've just reminded them in the Telegram channel. All right. Only three people. Ayomide Forwardu, good morning. Oluwadamilola, good morning. You guys share the link, tap on the like button. Let's take these numbers up. Wow, what's happening? Whoosh today. What's happening? Everybody's tired of the market. All right. If you can see my screen and you can hear me, just put some 555s in the chat box. If you can see me, you can hear me, and you can see my screen. It's like I'll start reducing this screen like this because a lot of people are complaining they don't see very that you guys don't see very well. It's just that I'm used to okay, maybe I'll be leaving it like this. Big Marcel, how are you? See, whenever I see your name like this, I'm just so excited. How are you, Big Marcel? Great, the number. Oh, Victoria! It's part of the process. You see, you won't stop. At a point, you will stop blowing accounts. At a point, it will just be drawdowns. At a point, you will not be blowing accounts. Don't worry, a time will come when you stop. I can't even remember the last time I blew an account. Hi, Madam Mercy. Good morning. All right, now we are growing numbers. See, let's see what is gold doing. My God. My God. You already know I want to see what gold is doing. Yo. So, actually, there's every possibility that gold is selling into this zone. Okay, that gold is selling into this zone. There's every possibility that gold is selling into this zone to take off. Very possible. It's about time. We need a proper breakdown. All right. You would be yes, tell her she'll be back. So I'm going to do a proper breakdown on how I got this. So if you it took you out this morning, didn't you take your partials? You guys should not be giving back your money to the market. We made over 300 and something pips on that trade idea I dropped in the Telegram channel. Hey, you people should not be allowing gold to take your money from you. Once you see like 100 pips, you lock it. It's a risk-free trade. It's called break even. Do you know how high that thing went? Hey, God, I beg. These guys will not kill me. Guys, once you get like 50 to 100 pips, move your SL to your entry. I beg. Even me, I'm learning how to do it because I'm a swing trader. So I will always leave it at SL. But oh, you didn't buy early. Oh, I'm so sorry, darling. And it still came back. Oh, it still came back and moved again. I'm so sorry about that. But don't worry. We'll catch her. Is it not good? If we not catch buy, we go catch sell to the buy. Don't worry. Let's do it from the top. Let's do gold from the Is it not gold? We go still catch her. Hold on. Just relax. Let me see what's going on here. Just relax. Okay. So let me go to FX Saxo. I think I'll use Saxo. Let me use Saxo. We go catch them. Now only Shakara will still catch gold. We'll still catch it. Don't worry. I'm not shaking. I think it's here. Saxo is here somewhere. Saxo. Yeah. All right. It's better here. Okay. So you see, all these ones will be waiting for gold refuse to come down. So, but I'll just I don't want to. Okay, don't worry. Let me just clear everything. So I hope you guys can see my screen now. You missed the buy. I'm so sorry. Can you see my screen now? Is it clearer when I do it like this or when I expand it? Which one is better? People say they are not seeing my prices, but I always write it down. Which one is better, guys? Should I minimize like this? Where's everyone? Guys, don't stop tapping on the like button and sharing the link. Get your friends on. So let's look at gold. Which one is better? Do you guys like it like this? All right. So gold is bullish, we know. Gold is bullish, we know. Right now, she has broken last week's high, swept above, and pulling down to it's better this way. This is better. All right. Beautiful. Okuchi, how are you? So this is a daily time frame. Okay, we are going to be looking at it. And we can see that, sorry about that, that she was going up, rallying up, came back down here. Oh God, I beg. There was a gap here. A big gap here. Okay, more like a gap here. Going to, there was a gap here. Tapped into that gap. Tapped once, came back, tapped twice, rallying up. So everybody's expecting that she's going up. But of course, it cannot just go up like that. There must be pullbacks. She said, don't minimize. Oh, I should make it bigger. I don't know what to believe anymore. Okay. Now we are in business. Okay, so gold came back into this gap and then moved all the way up. Now there's something here that I've been looking at, and it looks like she's respecting that beautiful change in it was expected for this thing to come here and sell, no doubt, at the 419. Okay, I expected it to sell at the 419, but the question is, where is it selling to? All right, so now let's concentrate and look at the schematics of this bullish move, because you see this sell here on point, okay, on point, on point, this sell here on point, but it has to sell for us to continue the buy. So let's look at the 12-hour, let's look at the schematic of things. Let's look at it. All right, so if we look closely, this is the move: high, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. You see, this is where I had a serious issue, but that's fine. Gold does whatever she wants. All right. Okay, so sometimes she does that. All right. Guys, share the link, tap on the like button, share the link. And if your view is not clear, just go to your settings and look for high quality. Okay. Now, this was the last move she made. This is the 12-hour time frame, by the way. Okay. So, of course, you're expecting the market. You see why it's good to have a holistical view. So, there's a gap here between here and here. There's a gap. And you see the gap tallies with the what? The 60-50%. For those that beautiful. Njoku Becky, beautiful. So you can see there is a gap in here that tallies with our 50-61 zone. All right, so I'm just going to squeeze it in there. Okay, the 50-61 zone. How about this becomes liquidity? And then it comes into this zone. Just my beautiful thought on this, and continues up. And I dropped this analysis on the Telegram channel on Monday. On Monday. I think I dropped it on Monday or Sunday. I can't remember. But I dropped that Telegram. Yeah, it was Sunday. I dropped it in the Telegram channel. So we are seeing the 12-hour time frame. Therefore, the sell we are looking at, let's look at it on the 8th. There's every possibility it's coming to take this out. Let's see how it looks on the 4. All right, let's see. I'm just going to delete this. All right, let's see how it looks on the 2. Okay. Let's see the 1. Yeah. So there's every possibility this baby is coming for this other block right here into this zone. This is so large. Let's see the 40. Let me see the 90. The 90 minutes. Yeah, looks a bit clearer to me on this side. Yep. Yep. The 90 minutes is so freaking clear. I see a beautiful gap that has been untouched here. Just tapped into. I'm just going to mark it out. Guys, subscribe to TradingView. Like, you can't get all these time frames if you're not subscribed. Or you go and use Fastbull. Fastbull is still very, very free. And they have almost everything. Like, so this is a gap, right? And an order block. So we want to see it clear that liquidity and come in between here. I think this is exactly what gold is planning to do. Okay, I think this is what gold is planning to do. All right. Now I'm going to bring it down to the 30. 30 minutes. Now the 30 minutes is even showing us a better looking order block around here. Yep. 30 minutes is showing us a better looking order block around here. I think I'll just wait on that. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. What I'm hearing is not what I'm thinking. All right. So I'm just going to put my long position from here, or we'll take the sell down. Just hold on. Let me just get my long position first. I like to just stick to the trend, if you don't mind, to give us that. All right. So that's another zone to wait for. Okay. I think I preferred it on the 90 minutes. The 90, oh, this one, this 45 minutes looks so good. I think the 45 minutes looks so good. Even here, there's a gap here too. Yeah. So from the gap, but I like to wait for the other block. So let's see what gold has in store. And since she wasn't able to give us a new high, she's selling to clear liquidity and come back. So if you want to join this sell now, what do we do? What do we do? You have to be careful. It's a counter trend. But I don't like giving counter trends. I don't like giving counter trend. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Thank you. I couldn't even talk. Let me just be typing it for you people. I beg. Eh, devil is a liar. He doesn't want us to make money today, but we will make money. So let's see something. Now we cannot take the counter trend. You know why? There is every possibility this market could still go up here before coming down again. Very possible. Okay? Very, very possible. The market could go back up if it doesn't break, if it doesn't clear this low or this liquidity. The market could decide to use this as liquidity and tap into this zone and come down. Marcel had to dash me 150 naira. Thank you. We will make money. So this is why I'm not going to risk the sell. That if it doesn't break this liquidity and tap into this place, it might decide to go up again before falling down. So right now, the safest thing to do is wait for the buy. Do you agree? The safest thing to do is wait for the buy. All right? Safest thing to do is wait for the buy. Okay. Did you understand how we came across this? How we came up with this? Did you understand? If you did, let me see some fires, some fives in the chat box. Hey, way. I don't have coffee. Let me see some fives in the chat box if you understood. We wait for the buy. Joy, good. It's so wide. Wait for confirmation. It's wide, so wait for confirmation. Okay? Wait for confirmation. 555. So how do you wait for confirmation? Okuchi, you know better. You're my student. Wait for confirmation. So even if it comes in here, wait for confirmation, all right? You just wait for confirmation. Beautiful. All right, beautiful. The volume is crazy now, so everything is wide. If you put SL too tight, it will be too tight. If you put SL too wide, it will be too wide. If you do entry, it will be too, like, you have to just give the market space to breathe. Okay, we wait for the buy. Thank you so much, Faith. All right, so we are done with gold. We are done with gold. I'll be sending this to the Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel if you've not joined the Telegram channel. Okay, join the Telegram channel, and yeah, let's make money together. So this is what I see. That's gold. Now I want to look at GJ. I've missed GJ so much. Okay. Okay, I remember this is where we are waiting for that GJ here. We're waiting, so it's selling, but we can do it from the top. We can do it. So yeah, so this one, this entry was given to me by my app. For those that know what I'm talking about, I created a software with my friends, put in our strategy, and then the app was able to give us this. We didn't even trust the app as of then because the app was giving us this. We were waiting here, and the app was giving us this. We were waiting here, but the app did what he had to do, gave us this. We missed out on that entry. Until now we are still waiting for this zone, but we are going to do a top-down analysis. All right. What's your buy? Where's your buy limit, Big Marcel? Where's your buy limit? Exactly. Exactly. But let's look at it together. So looking at the monthly, this is surely a what? A downtrend. You can't even shout. I just want to know the last low. Okay. Can't short. I can't short. Okay. So as the market couldn't break below after coming to a premium zone, we're expecting it to go higher, clear the liquidity and go higher. So we have this zone still waiting for us. Okay. So the market is still going up. So far, so good. So we follow what we see. We're going to follow what we see, but I'll still mark my zone here. Okay. I'll still mark my zone here. So this is the weekly. Okay. Let's see the daily. Of course, this okay. It did not do. It did not sweep it. It did not. So daily, let's see what's going on. Okay. Okay, now I understand why it is selling. I understand why it was is selling right now. I totally understand why it is selling. But I'm still interested in the buy. Very much interested in the buy. So people that got in for a sell here, congratulations. I know why. But we are seeing something else here. It would be nice to sell. Why? Because if you look at the trend, this wasn't a proper pullback here. This wasn't a proper pullback. If you're looking at the trend from here, break of structure, you have to recognize where your break of structure is. Okay, that's a break of structure. It's a lot of gibberish going on. All right. But even from this zone, I clearly see a change of character going up. So I'm waiting for the buys. I'm not going to be looking for sells. The sales is good, but because I have seen something here. Okay, so if I pulled my fib from this zone that gave us this high, you can clearly see the market. What did the market do? It came back to our Beningin zone right here. Okay, remember, this is what the daily time frame. So I want to see the 12-hour. From the daily time frame and the 12-hour, you can clearly see our structure here. I can't shout. You can clearly see sweep of liquidity here, break of structure here. Okay, so if I am to do this again, I, my brothers and sisters, I know they stress my head though. Let's go to 8-hour. Let's go to 6, 4. Okay. I don't like this kind of candle. What are you trying to do? So I'm looking at this and I want to see the market take off from here. Okay, two zones. I want to see the market take off from this zone or this zone, as usual. All right, as usual. So this is the 4-hour. Let's see the 2. Why is this zone looking like a great buy zone already? Why is it looking like a great buy zone already? Why is this looking like a great buy zone already? Okay. Yo, this zone is looking so good. Yo, this zone is looking so good. So, but what we have to do is wait for extra confirmation right now. Because it could still be selling down here. Could still be selling down to the. So this is where, remember, this is where we are waiting for initially. Okay, we are waiting for it to use this, but there's a possibility this thing could go up from where it currently is. Okay, in fact, if it has not even started going up, wait though. Mm. Guys, 90 minutes. I'm teaching you guys something today. Don't play with 90 minutes time frame. Yeah, you could call this your change of character. All right, so this is what I see. Now that my eyes are open, I think the buy has actually started from this zone. Now let's look for our liquidity in between. This looks so much like liquidity. Yeah, looks like this buy has started. Yeah, looks very much like this buy has started, guys. This buy has started. It's still dumping, Abby. Great job. Yeah, great job. Let's wait for it. We wait. Yeah, this buy has started. The buy has started actually. Remember, we were waiting here before, no, but I've seen something else. Yeah, this buy has started actually. Kai, ah, you can actually enter for a buy now. So this is what will happen. We're going to move the thing, and then our SL will be right below here because it has tapped into that. Chineke God. Who is this? So yeah, an instant buy on GJ about to start. An instant buy on GJ starting now. SL is right below this zone here that has been tapped. All right. Okay. Right below this zone. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Let's leave it here. Because you might want to come lower and sweep this liquidity. Yes. Okay. Hold on, guys. Hold on. You might want to come and sweep this liquidity ish. Ah, man, what I'm seeing here today, this kind of structure, eh? Yeah, you can actually go in, but what we'll do is leave the SL to be below this place. So it's like a 1:3. Yeah, 1:3. Let me see the 4 hour and give a very good. Yeah, let's stop there. Let's not shoot ourselves on the foot. So it's like a 1:3 right here. Yeah, the buy just started. Make sure your SL is still below because the market can be naughty at times. Okay, can be really naughty. Yeah, give me a second. I'm entering this trade. If I miss it. Sorry, guys. GJ, where is GJ now? Jesus. Where's my GJ? This thing will leave me now. See me see trouble. Okay. I'm in on that trade. I'm in on that trade, guys. Okay, just set your SL and let it play. All right. So I'll be waiting for the market to come up here. Okay. I'll be waiting for the market to come up here. Don't worry, Big Marcel. Big Marcel. Yeah, don't worry. Let me show you something. If you don't know, at least you know this has played. It has played. It has played. It has played. It has played. So that's my GJ. Okay, that's my GJ. I'll be waiting for it to come up there. All right. This is the 4 hour time frame. Oh. If you want to wait, fine. But guess what? It's in between here and here. So wait. All right. Okay. So we have some people are already selling gold. Some people are already selling gold. Some people are already selling gold. Let me see. I've done GJ. Another one I like to do. One more. Let me do. I've done one GJ, one metal, or one this thing. Now let me do. I like let's do CAD. Let's. Ish. I don't want to do USDJPY. No, 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 no. Let's see. BTC. BTC. So we went live on TikTok. We had a sell. We had two buys. So this was the first buy. It has delivered. So I'm going to do BTC. Don't worry. Big myself. Of course, I'll do BTC. I want to look at NAS. I want to look at NAS. Okay. We've done GJ. GU is stressing me out. GU is, I don't know the kind of structure I'm seeing there. I don't know the kind of structure I'm seeing on GU. It's stressing me out. What? So, of course, we understand that something is happening. All the stocks are selling, they are doing this, they are crashing. We shall see. So we are looking at it and it is bullish. Okay, let's see the weekly. Um, Technical analysis for me is king. Somehow the world will align. Somehow the world will align. Technical analysis to me is king. So of course we see it's been going up nicely on the weekly too. Let's look at the daily. Now this looks like a freaking range to me. It looks like a range to me. There's nothing anybody will tell me. This looks like a range. But like I said, if you can discover a range on the high time frame, there is always structure in the range. Thank you. There's always structure in the range. Always structure in the range. Okay. Now, if you look closely, the market was rallying up. Okay. Looks like it broke structure, like a change of character here. Okay. Came up here and sold, but did not sell all the way to this zone. So my question is, what is it doing? It's still definitely selling. Okay, using what we see here. I'm not going to waste time on that. Two zones for me to sell. I want to sell there, and that's why some people got in for that sell, and I want to sell here. One of them. Okay. The thing is, it has started selling from here. So let's see smaller time frames to know what to do. I'm just going to shift this so it doesn't block us. Okay. So it looks very much like the sale started. Beautiful entry on this zone. This is the 2 hour time frame. This is the 2 hour time frame. Beautiful entry on this zone here. Oh, beautiful CISDA, Jesus Christ. How did I miss this? Yo, this was astonishing. This was good entry right here. Sniper entry. Drop down even further. Broke structure looking on this side. Went back up. Okay. Okay, went back up to this zone, has not been able to break this low though. So we can't take anything here. We can't take anything here. Why? Because it might want to push up again before dropping. Okay, very possible. Very possible that it is creating liquidity here. You can see these equal highs. To be nice to even buy from this zone up, but let's not go against the trend and against the this thing because of the liquidity I'm seeing here. I know that it will want to come and grab this liquidity, so I should be looking for how to enter for a buys to grab this liquidity for it to come into a very very a better zone for that sell. Okay. Yeah, this looks so good. So yes, I want it to buy up. All right. Yeah, I dropped this already for my VIPs. I dropped this already for my VIPs. Okay. Possible entry for a buy from here. Okay, possible. But let's wait for confirmation. Okay. It's still pushing down. Going to my second entry. So I want to see this thing come up here. I'd rather wait for the sell now. Where are my VIPs? If you can stay in the trade and just set your SL where I set it, just hold it because it might still go up to take out these equal highs. Okay. It might still go up to take off these equal highs. Yeah, so I wanted to buy into that zone. This could have possibly started playing out already. Okay. Possibly started playing out already. But I want to see it buy into that zone. Okay. So I'll prefer to, yeah, I like it here. Yeah, I like it here. If it doesn't come up, fair and good. But I see a potential buy zone here in this place here. Potential buy zone. Okay. SL is below here. This low here. What is it? Why are some people rolling their eyes? Do you want to buy NAS? You can buy NAS. So I didn't say that you can't buy NAS. But we know that this is looking bearish, okay, in the structure we saw. All right. We know it is, so there's every possibility that it could hit us out. I'm also in the buy. Now what for you? Now what for you? So this is what I'm waiting for. I'm going to just put sell limit. I'm also in the buy. I dey inside like this. I dey inside the buy. I have two positions as well. Sell limit 25,309. SL 25,392. See the way this thing is behaving. This thing wants to take us out before going up. Let's see. 25,392. Okay, that's for SL. I mean 398, sorry. 398. And we have TP 24,392. TP is 24,392. So let's see. Honestly, I would love, I'm already in the trade though, but I would love for this thing to push up. But yo, it's coming from my, it looks like it's coming from my SL. Okay. Now, I've done GJ, I've done NAS, I've done gold. Let's get to the people in the space. Don't Big Marcel behave. You just came in. Okay, let me do BTC. Let's do BTC together. I already wanted to. I have to do one crypto. One crypto. One crypto. Okay. I mean, you can obviously see the uptrend. Yeah, you can obviously see the uptrend. You can't shout. Sondo. Victoria, what are you saying? Victoria, what's going on? Okay. So this looks very much like somewhere the market will want to buy from. I mean, let's be honest. Forget what's happening in the world for once. Relax, clear your head, and do a technical analysis. So we see that this is going up. All right. After that break of structure, this baby didn't come down, which happens. Okay, it happens. Okay, especially when there's momentum in the market. All right. Now, guess what? Guess who is in the Beningin zone? Of course, if guessed right, BTC is in the Beningin zone, but this is the high time frame. Yeah, so we want to wait for confirmation for the buy. All right, I want to wait for confirmation for the buy. That's the monthly. Let's see the weekly. Let's see the daily. Hardly giving me confirmation for the buy, which is why it's more like a consolidation going on. No confirmation for buys yet. I know I'm a pattern baby. Just leave it for me. ICT people, before you come for my head, I don't play with my patterns. I'm sorry. I don't play with my patterns. So this is what we are seeing. More like a bearish pennant. Like it will still go down if it breaks below. If it breaks below, this just means if it breaks below like that, it will retest and drop. If it breaks above, which it hardly does, then it will buy. But I've not seen any confirmation on the buy. We are just riding this pennant. Like you can see, we're riding the pennant. Okay. So people that are buying, people that are selling, this is what they are looking at. They can see structure in here and they are riding with it. So we took that buy up. But let's come down to smaller time frames. Let me see the 8 hour. Obviously touched this trend line to drop down. Now you see she's respecting that trend down. So it's giving us lower highs and giving us higher lows. That's how the pennant is formed. Now, what do we do? If you want to ride this, what do you do? Look for structure within the pennant. Like we can clearly see it's giving us higher. So now this was the next low. All right. So the next possible touch for on this trend, you can just use trends. That's touched it 3 times. This thing could end up breaking below. I don't believe in trends that have been touched 3 times. It could just end up breaking the low. So right now it's selling from here. Now let's look at it well. It's selling from here right now. Okay. Selling from here right now. And if you check, If you check, okay, okay, you can see the structure inside. So don't play. Once you can see structure, you're fine. So right now it is selling. All right, let us see the 2 hour time frame. Let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, this could possibly be a problem for it, possibly. Okay, but we are selling. Let's concentrate on the sales. Let me see. Yo, this kind of structure is hard to catch. On God, what is this? This is crazy, yo. So it's still selling, and there's a possible obstruction here. But you get the whole thing, though. You get what we are doing here, right? This is the 15 minutes. Still selling. It hasn't gotten here yet. Next possible entry for that sell is this place. Yeah. Okay. So I see this thing pushing up in here to continue the sell into this other block here. All right. As it gets closer, you can decide to take your money here at the beginning of the other block. You see, this thing is beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah. So this is what I see for BTC. This is what I see for BTC. All right. If Big Marcel, are you there? So I've done GJ, I've done gold, and I've done BTC and NAS. Four of them. Now let's go to our audience. Victoria, what do you want to look at? Victoria, Ayomide, Forwadu, Oluwadamilola. These are the three people that you know that were here first. Okay, gold. Somebody wants to see gold one more time. I think, which one did I do for you guys? Was it O and A? Oh, gold has gotten there already. Are you kidding me? Oh, did I miss the entry? Woo, 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 woo. No, 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 guys. Oh my God. Oh, shit. Shake, cheese, 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 cheese. Oh my God. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. I'm in pain, I'm in pain, I'm in pain. Ew. I didn't even have time to set the thing. Yo, guys, we're already in profit. Hey. Hey. How come nobody told me this thing was coming close? Oh no. Ay. Hey, as somebody who say I shouldn't show emotions, I will cry. Yay! This is painful. How do you map out this beauty and you are not in? Hey, how do we get it? Okay, let's calm down. There will always be a way. Hold on, guys. Oof. Hey, wait for a retest, guys. Don't jump in. Don't jump in. Don't jump in. Don't jump in. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Hey, shit. Don't jump in, guys. Hmm. Okay, let me just calm down. Let's look at the 3 minutes. Okay. Let's wait for just relax. There will always be, don't worry, there will always be a way to get him. There will always be a way to get him. Okay, so this is a big ass gap. 52.36, 52. So I'm still seeing 52.30.7. Hopefully she comes back. Hopefully. Mm. Let's just wait for a pullback into this zone. Okay, good. Eesh. Thank you. The SL is 52.13.78. 52.13.78. GJ is in profit. I mean, come on. What am I doing with GJ when there is gold? Who else? Just wait for it to pull back. There's nothing else we can do. We can't chase after the market. Never. I already did. I already did. Okay, I'll type it again. 5236.48. I tell people that I'm happy now is a big fat lie. Big fat lie from the bottom pit of hell. 5236. Let's use 5236. SL 5213. Please just use the same SL. Don't gawk. Use the same SL, I beg. Another, wait, hold on. I just saw a possible entry from here too. This internal fair value gap. So in between 5254, entry between 5254. Yeah, because it could possibly take, I'm seeing internal fair value gap there. It could possibly take off from there too. So it's in between that and this. Okay. So it could take off from the fair value gap. I don't want you to miss that. So I just got 50% of the fair value gap. Okay. Um okay. So I just got 50% of that fair value gap there. So in between that fair value gap and 55236.14, please don't be a witch. Calm down, calm down, calm down, please. Oof. All right, so we have that, and that's what we have for now. What do we have to do? Um, it's there now. Can you see the zone? There's nothing to celebrate here. If you know I'm in pain, I'm in pain. I'm in serious pain. GJ is in profit. Hey, gold do not come back. Maybe we should call it a day. We've seen BTC. I'll be dropping everything we analyzed here tonight. I mean, this morning. I'll be dropping it all on the Telegram channel. Empower Her 3.0 is coming up. So all my ladies that want to learn, no, this time it won't be free, because when it was free, the ladies didn't take it seriously. So it won't be free. It will be probably 50,000 naira, $50, something small for all of us to really sit down, learn, and then end up unwinding together. So if you're interested, please let me know. If you have a friend, a sister, a girlfriend, a wife, and gold is not coming back, if you have any of them that want to learn how to trade, just call them. They should come and join me in the Telegram channel. I'll be announcing in the Telegram channel. And I love you guys. I have to go now. Mwah. Let me go and see what I can do with myself right now. Bye and God bless. Mwah, mwah, mwah.